Come on.
All right.
We've been waiting for George.
What a way to start a video with a Camaro Flyby V6. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel once again. This is Daily Driven Datsuns, and you know it. Today we're gonna go hit JDM. Actually, it's a classic car event, but we're gonna hit it with a bunch of JDM cars. And we're here with all the boys getting ready, waiting on my brother George with the white fang. But here we got Letty, which is STI. We got the twin turbo 300ZX. We got a special car here. There's a 95 Subaru Impreza STI, I believe it is, or whatnot. It's right-hand drive from Japan. And we got the silver Bullet, just waiting on my brother right now. And we're gonna head to Cape Coral to, it's called the Cape Coral Museum, History Museum. It's on Cultural Park. They got a festival and it's a classic car show. But you know, every time we do these you know, they do these events with the classic cars, it's always American muscle cars. So today we are going to just pull up in a bunch of JDM classics, and we're gonna freaking hit them where it hurts.
Lawnmower.
Yeah. 2 something. What's up, brother?
What up, dude? How are you?
You ready to tear up these old timers?
Yes, sir. It's gonna be fun.
Hell yeah, we're gonna hit them where it hurts.
Hey, I am a fucking old timer.
Oh shit, shit. Well, technically we're all a bunch of old timers. So, but yeah, he's an old timer, but he looks like he's 50 or 45 years old actually. So, anyways, enough of that shit. We're gonna go fucking take over a damn American Muscle show. So stay tuned in for that. Let's go.
Tell George don't even turn off the car.
The white fanger. What's up, bro? Don't even shut it off. We're gonna head up. What's up? Hola. Morning. She looks good. What you wash her this morning?
Last night.
Oh, last night? There you go. Hell yeah, we're gonna head out to the Cape now. Say what's up, if you want.
I gotta put gas.
Hey, you think I'll make it a Cape?
I
A ver?
doubt it. What's wrong with Fang?
Oh, it's on empty.
What's wrong with Fang?
We gotta put a quick little bit of gas right there at the 7-Eleven on 82.
Splash?
It's like not even marking.
Alright.
Yeah.
Put him in the middle. I get it.
Get her done. Alright, we're out.
One of the girls in the car.
Oh, that's a TR mode. All right, we're here at the gas station. We got Sweet Pea, Mandy, KC, Chris' new car. This thing's pretty cool. Got the Recaros in there. Nice little car. Hey. Woohoo! Got White Fang. Christian Z31 Turbo. This is R33 Brian right here. This thing's beautiful. He's a local. This thing's gorgeous. Talk about Fast and the Furious. Got some more on the other side. We got Jody, and then Bob just pulled up to the scene. Yeah, this thing's got like 100 horsepower. It's just slow as hell.
What kind of catch you can? What kind of catch you can you gonna
Say
get?
what's up to Joey.
What's up? What kind of catch can you gonna get in this?
Oh man, I don't know.
Is that for the extra gerbils?
Yeah, probably, right?
What's
Big
the
turkey.
can for?
Big
Is it for
turkey.
gerbils? Oh, okay.
What's up, Baba?
Everything good?
Good. We got Brian, R33 right here, one of our locals. Hell yeah.
I appreciate that.
Hell yeah. So the mission today is to go hit up all these old timers where they're muscle cars with a bunch of JDM cars.
Yeah, screw
so
it.
that's gonna be it's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun. No,
Yeah.
it'd be cool. Everybody gets together and has
Yeah,
fun.
exactly.
It's commonality. That's what you want.
You gotta throw
classics.
Yeah, you got to change the pot a little bit, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So-
I should have brought my fucking RAV4. Shit. I'm 20s.
Oh man.
Damn. I should have brought the
All right. All right. Yeah, so we made it here to the event, and quite a couple cars here. Pretty good. We'll do a little walk around, see some of the stuff. We got a good lineup. We got Tony and his 280Z. Let's go take a look at it. Special car. Back where you're gonna store it. It's one of our local here, Z owners, Southwest Florida. You guys probably met him before if you're into the Z stuff. Not sure if he went to ZCon or not, but pretty sure he probably did. Got one of our buddies here. GTS 4 all-wheel drive, all-track or whatever, turbo, right-hand drive. This is Joey's car. Fun little great car. I got to do a couple ride-along videos with some of these guys. Yeah, they're fun, you know. Little interview and talking about the cars and stuff. So definitely. We got the Brian's car, R33. KC, Dave.
Yeah.
We're out in California.
Yeah, they just really started coming in.
Got all the Z's lined up. Oh yeah. Turbski, baby. What's up, Riz? What's going on, man? We got Riz back in the channel over here. What's up? He brought the MGB today. He's got so many cars. I don't know how you wake up in the morning. What do you do? Rock, paper, scissors with someone and see which one you're gonna take?
I'm freaking broke all the time. Caretaker does so much freaking cars.
He just got done with this car. Looks good as hell. It's got SUs on it, right? Little SU carbs, factory, stock, man. Stock little car, but he built this thing probably like in a month or two. And so those are TR6 rims on it, and he just lowered, hard top. Oh, look at that thing. Nice. Yeah. Pretty cool. Oh, I didn't see this. Wow. Nice. What is that, a Volkswagen, really?
Yeah.
With Porsche wheels? Wow.
Yeah.
That is very neat little car, dude. Wow. This is cool. All right, well, we're going to hang out here and see what's up. I'll catch back with you guys. See some more cars. Hey, brother. Sounds beautiful. Beautiful, right?
Oh yeah.
Thing is sick.
Cammed out.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dale, papa.
I appreciate you.
Hell yeah,
for the
brother.
invite.
Good
Have
seeing you.
fun, bro.
I'll see you around, brother.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah. We'll check in for something else.
Yeah, no,
Between.
we'll do something on the food.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
No, I'm looking forward to it.
Got to put some miles on the baby.
I know. I'm still breaking. I think we got like 400 miles.
Yeah?
I'm trying to break it everywhere. I appreciate you. Thank
Got it.
you.
Hell yeah, brother. Take it easy, man. Drive safe. Dale. Candela. So cool. All right, well, that was one hell of an event. Had a great time with everybody. Cool place at the cultural or the Cape Coral Museum of History or History Museum, whatever. It's been like a day or two afterwards. Actually, right now I had to finish up the video. I got involved with a whole bunch of stuff I had to do, and I just lost a lot of time. But guys, finally we're gonna go ahead and put the Z down. We're gonna start getting ready to start taking it apart. So this actual whole trip was about the last ride with the good old L28E. After many years of having a great time with her, she's been strong. She's been great. I can't say there's a better engine out there, to be honest with you. Over 200,000 miles, 43 years old, and she's still strong and purring like a kid and going. But it's time to get this motor out of here and put in the new motor. You know, time has come. So next time you'll see the next video, she will be under the knife. So guys, stay tuned in. Catch you on the next one. Please like and subscribe. It's time. Let's go. Keep branching. See you later, guys. Bye.